Okay, so this is going to be our third take that we're going to videotape for you guys. We are just running through the monster lines, and he is recording it for us. And then we're going to also go back through and listen to it. So that's what this segment's going to be about. Are you ready?
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, make sure the timeline's all set up.
You set up on the
All right,
spot?
remember 5-second pauses
Between each, okay.
Each take. Just count it out in your head.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, and
Now you are mine. Mine. Did you really think you could escape me? I see you. I remain. Where are you? There you are. Your soul is mine. You are forsaken. No one can save you from me. Run, coward. Game over.
perfect as always.
Okay. Oh,
All right. All right.
So you're gonna take the
yeah,
lines and change the decibels.
So we are
on
going
that?
to the decibels are off the chart because she has such a powerful voice. But we are going to shorten them, make them
Okay.
not blow out the speakers. So
Okay.
yeah. So
All right, and then we'll do